Hello, this is Shu with Electro Freeze Southeast, and today we're going to be talking about your Fuzionate machine and how to reprime the syrup. So the Fuzionate is known for giving you vanilla and 8 different flavors that's pumped through with syrups and blended together to give you a smooth, creamy dessert. And there may be a time that you run out of syrups. So we're going to go through how to do a reprime once run out, and that way you will know how to do it when it happens to you. Alright, so we're going to start by this. So in this example, we have your vanilla flavor, and it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, all the way down. Alright? These numbers correspond with a pump down here in the back. It's hard to see, but every pump is numbered sequentially 1, 2, 3, 4 on the left, and 1, 2, 3, 4 on the right, with a corresponding 2 to each syrup that you number. In the case that you do run out, which in our case, we're going to do number 1. So we're going to hit number 1. That's the flavor we're going to refill. It's empty, so we're going to go ahead and get our new syrup. We're going to put it in there like that and tighten it up to lock it in. This was labeled 1, so we know that goes to pump 1. And like slide it in like that. You're going to notice that the line is going to be empty because you ran out. So the next thing you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and close that door and come up here with a cup under the syrup drop right here. Alright, so from here, I'm going to go ahead and take this guy off to give you access to the controls. And we're selected on 1. For that syrup we're going to refill. We're going to make sure that this is on right here for the syrups to be on. So that's on now. And then you're going to hit this button right here that says prime or calibrate, okay? If you're just refilling, what I recommend is write down the number that you're set on for that flavor line, and then from there you can set it back if you need to after you prime it. So in our example, we're going to be doing number 1 right here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, just like the bottom pumps, okay? So we're going to go ahead and turn 1 from its original setting of like 7. We're going to write it down somewhere. And we're going to go ahead and switch it to 10. That will speed up the process. Make sure you're selected on the 1, which is the flavor you're going to change. And we're going to go ahead and press the prime button. You're going to hear the priming start. And what it's going to do is it's going to pump until you get syrup coming out on the lines. And when that happens, that means your system is primed. So I'm holding this right here, and you see, there we go. You start seeing that syrup come out. Boom. Your system is now filled and primed. To do this with other flavors, you would just pick the flavor number and make sure you're correctly connecting to the bottom straw on the bottom. And from there, you can prime any flavor you need to as you run out. Once you're primed, go ahead and just set it back to the setting it was at, or you can call your Electro Freeze technician to come back and calibrate it for you. After you do that, go ahead and close this up. Close your doors. And from there, when you get your flavor for number 1 and pull, you're going to start serving that flavor out. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call at 352-415-4501 or shoot us an email at partsandservice@electrofreezesc.com. Thank you.